Another day, man. I have been doing this cold plunge for over 7 months, and I dread it every morning. It's 37 degrees this morning. We're gonna rock and roll, man. Doing something hard this early. Woo. It'll set the tone for your day. I don't like it. But I know this early, if I get in here every morning in this 37 degree water and make myself do this every morning, no matter how I slept, or no matter how I feel, I'm setting the tone for my day, man. The day's not gonna be easy, but I'm prepared. I'm prayed up. I done gave my gratitude to Jesus Christ. I done ate my breakfast. I done prayed. I done read the Bible. And now I'm doing my hard, man. This sucks. And, some days are colder than others, especially during the winter when this thing starts freezing a little bit. And I got to get out here and crack it with this dumbbell over here. Yeah, man. Do your hard today, y'all. Do something hard. Run to it. Don't shy away from it, man. Do your hard, guys.